post-harvest losses in rhizomes, turmeric, ginger and onion is astounding 7.3%, that is 1350,000 metric ton per 80 billion rupees. My venture is solving this issue using our proprietary technology. This patented technology helps farmers to dry their rhizomes, crops and prepare the products for the market without having to depend on market conditions. I am Priyanka Shelke, founder of AgriFood Tech Private Limited. Thanks for the opportunity to pitch and introduce my startup venture. We all have seen the unannounced frequent rains in peak summers, Jan to June. This aggravates the situation for turmeric farmers, for whom, after 9 months of preserving his crop in fields, harvest produce and in addition need to do the primary processing that requires 1 month of sun rain. Challenges during this period are several attempts of layering, collecting and covering their produce to shelter from rains. Imagine the pains of 5.6 lakh farmers that grow 500,000 metric ton rhizomes in only two states of Maharashtra and Telangana. We partnered with Agriculture University and designed an integrated processing line that helps overcome the vagaries of climate, especially unannounced monsoon. We set up working concept pilot plant Serfos Foods by investing 2 crore of our own money. Fresh rhizomes to sealable powder products are made 100% in-house now, eliminating sun drying. We offer this new technology to process fresh rhizomes into marketable products to the farmers community group. Our services: S4 Foods, integrated processing line, overcome vagaries of climate by charging technology enablement fees percent of project cost. We enable this organization to run this facility. We undertake the vendor selection, installation, supervision and oversee the commencement operation for the first 15 days. AgriDot. Fresh to sealable powder, best quality, high yield, hygiene and improved shelf life. We help market these products attend from the facility by charging finder's fee at percent of invoice value. We introduce customers, remotely support quality assistance and market the products. We already have all well established network B2C successful retail brands Shuneri Masale, Intrigals and B2B supply to masala manufacturer and pharmaceutical companies. The farmer produce is sold for 60 rupees per kg in the open market and the good quality powder products fetch 100 to 250 rupees per kg. Unable to do value addition, the farmers losses a lot. We have done the most difficult part of setting up the pilot plant and have run operations for 2 years and also sold the new and unique finished goods, turmeric slices, powder worth 50 lakhs. We had several problems in procuring the fresh products initially, as the farmers were conditioned for 150 years to do the processing themselves. But since last year, we have more than 100 happy farmers who supply the fresh rhizomes to our facility. We had to undertake several modifications in the engineering design as theory concept to practical execution required many alterations, all undertaken in the subsequent learnings over several trials. We currently have 20 interested parties for this technology. Partly the inquiries are from our recognition. Agni, Office of Principal Scientific Advisor, Government of India, and Rajiv Gandhi Science and Technology Commission by Maharashtra State. And others are through the marketing to the farmers community through social media channels and participating in the several farmer forums. What you get in the market for primary processing of rhizomes is traditional boiling and polishing machines which cost up to 80 lakhs. Minuscule 12 kg solar dryer units which provide turmeric slices of 6 to 8 months shelf life as against our 36 months. The total market size of farmer cooperative and food manufacturer is 7,800 crores. Our priority is to promote this technology to maximum farmer producer companies, organizations, commodity clusters and common facility centers so that more farmers can benefit and end their post-harvest rhizomes processing pain. Minimum capacity economically viable plant under our technology cost 110 lakhs. Scaling up will require funds to scale the products from 1 metric ton to 3 metric ton. secure patent and expand our team. Recruit 10% for 6 in sales, domain and 4 in project profile to reach out to farming community. In summary, we hope that you partner with us in order to promote our technology to farmers community who will minimize the post-harvest losses through their enterprise using our technology and make rhizomes farming beneficial. I have many more slides, but we will like to stop here. I am grateful that you gave me time to today and happy to answer any questions you may have now.